latest on the transfer news. Sanibona bafethu uvali lo amathema amaningi athenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala nje ngehamba phambili namhlanje bafethu okuyindaba esimnandi kakhulu. Sizwile ukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs ke bafethu kuthiwa isidayise umfana omncane okubani na Eden McCarthy umjida ke kuthiwa uzojoyina eclub yale eAzerbaijan edlala abathi ke ongenzeka iyodlala kwi-Champions League kuyi-UEFA Champions League. Iclub le igama labo bayibiza ngeSabha FC yase-Azerbaijan. Umjida ke bafethu udlale kahle kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs last season. Uzoba yenye ingxenye yama-players a-exportwe iKaizer Chiefs. In the last 3 years iKaizer Chiefs ngempela bafethu i-exporter italente eliningi eliyale ku-Europe yabo. So indaba ezinhle kakhulu kulezi for iKaizer Chiefs bazoyenza imali. Ngizwile futhi ukuthi bazosayina a-defender kubani na uThabo Moleisane. So umjida uzo-replace uThabo Moleisane from iSteelers ozosayina as a free transfer yabo. So indaba ezinhle lezi for iKaizer Chiefs abaqhubeke nje benze ibhizinisi nama-clubs amaningi ale phesheya yabo, because lokhu kwenza abadlali bale South Africa babe more exposed to lama league lawa phesheya yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa iLamontville Golden Arrows are in talks with the former TS Galaxy coach okubani na Adnan Bekavonovic. Lo coach ke lo bafethu sathana kudedelwa nje iTS Galaxy after irecord elingekho lihle kakhulu iTS Galaxy. So uManqoba Mnqithi if ngikhumbula kahle wasayina a small contract with the Golden Arrows ukuthi ke le contract le izophela uma kuphela isizini. So currently uManqoba Mnqithi udinga nje any contract with team ekhona la ku Petro Premiership ayijoyine. So umjida uManqoba mephuma kungenzeka athole i-team enkulu ekhona la ku Petro Premiership. Singesazi ukuthi ke iziphi team ezom-approach khona ama-team maningi angenabo coach. Kaizer Chiefs ayinayo coach, Isikhona United ayinayo coach, ikhona futhi nani na ikhona ne-Durban City engenayo coach, but ke asazi ukuthi imaphi ama-team azom-approacha uManqoba Mnqithi yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu I recently spoke about uBohlale Ngwato. If ngikhumbula kahle I spoke about this youngster 19 years old odlala leswele lekuthiwa umjida will be joining i-Orlando Pirates kule season le izoqala. So Orlando Pirates have signed this 19-year-old winger umjida bafethu. He is the future of Orlando Pirates. Ngesazi ngoba Orlando Pirates inawo ama-wingers currently. Ingabe kukhona any winger iOrlando Pirates izolidedela this upcoming transfer window singesazi. Silinde nje ngempela sibheke ukuthi ke ngabe kuzokwenzakala. Kwesinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu I reported that Bafana izohamba ke namhlanje kahle nje iyahamba nje namhlanje iya le eMexico bayolungisela ukuyodlala iFIFA World Cup. Amaphepha ke silungisiwe bafethu kodwa ke kushiwo ukuthi ke a few technical team members ngeke bahambe njengoba nina njenge-assistant coach uMkhelele yena umjida usalile uhambile uHugo Bros, but ke uMkhelele usasalile. Some of the analysts nawo akahambanga mfethu yabo. So akusizona indaba ezimnandi lezo, but ke yona i-team ikwazile ukuthi ke iwathole amaphepha bahambile abajida bawuqhubeka ke bahlale lapha bayilungiselele. Technical team izofika nje uma izinto iqhubeka yabo, bazoqhubeka nje bona balungise ngale technical team yonke izophelela kahle mase kuyaqalwa ke imidlalo yofana of. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje bafethu kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs ingxoxo engathi ke ziyakhula ngempela with ucoach wecoacha iclub yale France bafethu iLille FC. Igama lo coach uFernando da Cruz. I remember the coach lo bafethu linked with iKaizer Chiefs before kuze kufike uNabi. Izinto zenzeka ke bafethu akwazanga ukuthi ke aqhubeke abe ucoach wanina weKaizer Chiefs. Kwaqhubeka uNabi kuthiwa ke umjida iKaizer Chiefs isibuyele lekena bayafuna abe the number 1 coach weKaizer Chiefs. Kuthiwa ngenzeka afike with the technical team yakhe. So indaba ezinhle kakhulu ke lezi for iKaizer Chiefs, but ke singesazi yabo anything can go yabo out of order. Ziningi izinto engeke ihambe kahle yabo because ideal ayikabi 99% yabo sure, but yeah this is a good coach for iKaizer Chiefs. I hope uzofike enze izinto ezihlukile yabo. Mina bengifisa mhlawumbe ucoach iKaizer Chiefs ithole ucoach onjengobani na ucoach onjengoPeter Mosimane khona ileague yethu izoba mnandi, but ke nayo ucoach lo ubuya ngathi ke ucoach olazi ibhola le top uzofike ashintshe izinto kwiKaizer Chiefs I hope i-Kaizer Chiefs i-board izokwazi ukuyimnika isikhathi bangalokhu bexosha ucoach kaningi because uma bexosha ucoach leyo nto idala ukuthi i-team ingadlali kahle. But-ke wena wangitshela ama-comments, how do you feel regarding le ndaba le? Kwezinye zey'ndaba bafethu George Motlow bafethu umjida kuthiwa i-contract yakhe ngeke with the Kaizer Chiefs. Umjida, he's been playing for i-Kaizer Chiefs for isikhathi, but-ke ubehlushwa ama-injury, kuthiwa i-contract yakhe ngeke izirenewe. But-ke akhona ama-club amfunayo ngempela bafethu, i-club njenge-Steelers, they are showing interest kuyena bafethu uGeorge Motlow. So Steelers will be a good team for George Motlow after leaving the Kaizer Chiefs. Kwezinye zindaba bafethu Orlando Pirates are set to sign the Stellenbosch player okubani na okumthiyane and i-defender lani na le-Richards Bay okuZulu. Abajida-ke bafethu kuthiwa they did their medicals for Orlando Pirates last week. Yabo banga-announce nje anytime soon. There are many players Orlando Pirates abafuna ukwasayina. Bakhona abadlali abanjengoSiyanda Ndlovu, bakhona abadlali abanjengosise, bakhona abadlali abanjengoMatuludi, Bohlalo Ngwato. I spoke about him. So Orlando Pirates ibhizi ngempela kuleli windi leli, baningi abantu abazothuka, baningi abantu abazokhala, because Orlando Pirates iphinda eyakwenza last season. They are buying a lot of players. It looks like they want to go to Africa and challenge for a Champions League. Yabo, because if you can look at the players they are signing, it really shows you ukuthi ke bafuna ukuchallenge ngempela. So indaba ezinhle.